So today we're working with tropicals, and these are birds of paradise. And I just wanted to show you how to open up a bird of paradise. Often when we get the birds in, they have to be coaxed open. So you just gently open that up and slide your thumbs along the sides, and it will reveal anywhere from 1 to 3, sometimes 4 blue petals. And this resembles the crown of a bird of paradise. It's just beautiful, very dramatic form flower. Very gently just opening them up. There's another one. Just open that up. So there's 3 blue petals, and I bet there's a 4th one right in here. If we work this out just a little bit. Ooh, bonus. There we go. And now we can design with this beautiful flower.